bagong bukas na restaurant dito sa SM City, Bacoor. Kaya sa mga tenyo dyan, this is Winamki, located at the upper ground floor ng SMB. From Singapore to the Philippines, hinatid na sa atin ang famous Hainanese Chicken Rice. Ito yung full menu nila at ito yung mga nasubukan ko. Ito yung seafood laksa. Itsura pa lang alam mong flavorful na. At if mahilig ka sa curry spices, ikaw na to. We also tried the salted egg shrimp and I like this one kasi buttery outside. Of course, nandyan ang Hainanese chicken. Perfect paired with their fragrant rice. Guys, ito yung kanilang Hainanese chicken rice. So, let's try. Pero for me, I'll go with the roasted chicken. Ito ang 10/10 sa akin. Meron din silang mga dim sum like itong siomai, chicken feet, manto squid fritters, at marami pa. Sa drinks, I tried their best seller na Milo Dinosaur. Para ka talagang kinagat ng dinosaur sa tamis. They also have mango shake at yan, I say the best. Winamki is just located at the upper ground floor pagpasok mo lang ng east entrance ng SM Bacoor.